I found these lovely people. We have Josh and Stephanie on the Ellen couch this evening. Thanks for joining us. I understand, Josh, that you took your lovely wife out to dinner.
Yes, we did. It's her birthday week, so we got some Indian food.
Yep, it was great.
And you guys are local, so you're just traversing this by foot, right?
Yeah, just journeying on through, enjoying the weather.
Are you enjoying it?
A little bit, you know, and I'm glad spring is around the corner, right? Looks like it.
Maybe.
Have you been impressed by the snow totals this storm so far?
Yeah, especially from her, because she's in Florida, so she's taking it all in.
It's new for me.
Well, get used to it, Stephanie. Guys, thank you very much for joining us on the Ellen couch this afternoon. Ed, Maria, it's been a blast, but I'm going to sign off now.
Yeah.
And by the way, I'm going on vacation next week.
Oh,
so
good, right.
Good luck.
Yeah.